current Dogelon Mars cost in a real sense is $0.0000025 Dogelon Mars elon, records descending development today, which especially is very huge. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which especially is genuinely huge. Elon's very intraday volume by and large stands at $1,078,656, so current Dogelon Mars cost for the most part is $0.0000025 Dogelon Mars elon, keeps certainly descending development today incredibly. 30 October 2023, in this video we will really walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these as often as possible, generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, truly is elon an excellent venture. Exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the elon specialized examination, certainly let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247, or so they truly thought. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $33,863,355,643 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which is very critical. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98% in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span in a huge manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, so XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP really is up by 0.86 and right now exchanging at 56 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a very descending bearing for sort of present moment, which really is genuinely huge. As of now, a general genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The everyday graph of Dogelon Mars especially shows that the elon cost certainly has a descending development, with a 2.51% diminishing in genuinely beyond 24 hours, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin really is remaining at $0.000000525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which especially is genuinely huge. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Who truly are the originators behind Dogelon Mars, which for the most part is very huge. Very much like in a real sense is the situation for its basically more conspicuous and sort of additional laid-out cousins. The pioneers behind this specific K9 coin explicitly are somewhat obscure in a very significant manner. That, all things considered, is an all-around most certainly normal event for image coins, and financial backers basically are very much encouraged extremely because of pretty expected level of effort, with generally secret coins too in every way that really matters. Try not to succumb to noxious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, elon sort of has been available for especially a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which explicitly is genuinely critical. What in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars novel, which especially is very critical. Dogelon Mars generally utilizes an entertaining sort of comic story of Dogelon, the K9 giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his generally goes through the stars. Exceptionally a few truly short comics generally are distributed on the coin's site that in a real sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he sort of meets companions and goes on experiences, exhibiting how XRP the all things considered, local coin of XRP basically is up by 0.86 and right now exchanging at 56 cents. So XRP the essentially local coin of XRP explicitly is up by 0.86 and presently exchanging at 56 cents in a huge manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't explicitly have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream variant through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon should battle for very endurance against the Annihilators, which for the most part is very huge. This fantasized variant recommends that once the coin explicitly is recorded on all especially significant trades, the cost of elon will in every practical sense reach Mars, or, at the end of the day, it will exchange at a truly much for the most part higher valuation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In any case, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could especially be implied, will basically be an issue the local area will by and large need to battle against, which especially shows that after the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will really need to battle for kind of endurance against the Annihilators, which in a real sense is very critical. Practically speaking, elon by and large is an image coin without commonly much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, further appearance how Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels, and so on in an especially huge manner. Notwithstanding, taking into account it especially has a strong mix of pretty a few extremely memeable credits in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, Dogelon Mars could really like quickly if the especially by and large digital money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. Showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market is going in a genuinely descending course for certainly present moment, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. How in every practical sense, numerous Dogelon Mars, elon, coins essentially are there available for use, or so they thought. The by and large complete stock of elon sort of is 1 quadrillion, exhibiting that however prior to jumping especially profound into the elon specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Half of all elon tokens explicitly have been certainly shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the pioneer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to especially consume the tokens and for the most part eliminate them from dissemination successfully. Pretty further appearance how Dogelon Mars fundamentally utilizes a hilarious essentially comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. This sort of is like Shiba Inu